So we're on board the first new ITA 14.99, an exciting new addition to the performance cruiser market from a startup Italian yard. And they've done a great job, really. They've taken it weight very seriously. Light ship design of 10.5 tons, I think. And this one fully loaded, 13.5 tons. So for example, that bimini top, the whole thing is infused and weighs only 330 kilos. So all of the composite and structure, the whole of the hull and deck, roof, everything comes in under 5 tons. Should go like a witch. A fairly conventional tramp area with forward crossbeam, e-anchor bore aft, and the bridle, self-tacking jib, set off a very clean carbon Lorimar spreaderless rig, and a large square top main as well. So this uses a central winch on that aft crossbeam to control the halyards and reefing lines. You see this traveller winch there, which doubles as the davit winch for the dinghy. Good sized dinghy as well. And these are a good pilot berth. Comes sunbed there with plenty of storage below. The board and furler controls here as well, and the primaries. So you can see how the sheets or spinnaker sheets can lead straight under or via the block to these winches, which means that everything is controllable from these aft helm stations. Good views forward. This one has the Ocean Vault hybrid system and a swing out Jeffer wheel, so you can steer right outboard and see the telltales. It's a good sailor's boat, plenty of sail area, and built lightweight. Looks fast and fun. So coming inside, you'll notice the amount of light you get from these big flat glass screens surrounding. They're just closed off now. So this boat's air-conned up, so there aren't that many opening hatches in here, but you can have more. So yeah, refrigeration space to port, and this nice U-shaped galley here, which is convivial with the aft cockpit when you open up the sliding doors. But it's a nice high-quality Italian design where they've compromised on the weight saving is, for aesthetic details like this resin top here, which you can actually use as a chopping board, and as I say, full glass for all the windows, not plexiglass. Nice teak veneer on foam sandwich, balsa cord furniture. Forward facing nav station, might be handy to have a hatch up there as well to see the main. Coming down into the owner's hull. Nice, spacious, simple, elegant design. And for the first boat, this new company based in Fano, do a lot of outsourcing, but they've done an impressive job with this. Fairly typical sort of owner's hull in that you get plenty of space for a cat of this size. And then dropping down into the port hull, similar size actual cabin and berth area aft as the owner's hull. Plenty of storage, as you see here, and a large shared shower and heads area central. Good use of space before coming into the second guest cabin, compact double up here. Nice job for a fast performance cat. Italian design fixtures and fittings throughout, and designed by Francois Peru.